Is it time to buy or sell Vistra Energy stock? In this video, we will explore Vistra Energy in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of September 13th, 2024, our system has identified Vistra Energy as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.41. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 31.39% since we first recommended Vistra Energy as a buy candidate just 8 days ago. This results in an average return of 3.92% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 4.02% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from negative 33.66% to 4.02%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it points to a change of 124.79% over the next 12 months, with expected returns between 60.38% and 159.45%. This suggests a price range from 180.26 to 291.62 after a year. Our latest daily update for Vistra Energy features the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for Vistra Energy. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, the stock price of Vistra Energy increased by 0.69%, moving from $111.63 to $112.40. This marks the 10th consecutive day of gains, a rare achievement for stocks, suggesting that a slight pullback may be on the horizon. During the last trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 3.95%, ranging from a low of $111.18 to a high of $115.57. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has risen by a remarkable 47.74%. Notably, the trading volume decreased by 6 million shares, totaling 10 million shares traded, which amounted to approximately $1.09 billion. It's important to note that declining volume in the face of rising prices may indicate a divergence, potentially signaling upcoming changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $115.57, while the lowest was $31.16. Currently, the stock price sits 2.74%, or $3.17, below the 52-week high of $115.57, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Vistra Corp has recently made headlines by surpassing NVIDIA as the S&P 500's top performer for 2024. This remarkable achievement suggests strong investor sentiment toward VST and may lead to further buying pressure, positively impacting its stock price in the short term. The stock has already seen a 16.3% surge in a single session, along with increased trading volume, although caution remains about whether this momentum will sustain. A significant factor contributing to Vistra's growth is its strategic expansion into nuclear energy, which addresses rising energy demands driven by technological advancements. By securing long-term contracts and enhancing its portfolio, Vistra is positioning itself for sustained growth. This shift not only aligns with the industry's focus on cleaner energy, but also places Vistra favorably against competitors. Moreover, the announcement regarding the acquisition of Vistra Vision is expected to be accretive to earnings. This move is poised to broaden Vistra's clean energy offerings while serving a larger customer base, which could further enhance its appeal to investors. With Wall Street's renewed enthusiasm for VST and anticipation of interest rate cuts on the horizon, the stock is poised to exploit multiple favorable trends. In the long term, these developments may lead to stronger financial performance, increasing the likelihood of continued stock price appreciation. Overall, Vistra Corp's current trajectory is set to capture and retain investor attention in both the near and distant future. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned VST a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On the same day, Morgan Stanley also rated VST as overweight with a hold action. Earlier on Thursday, the 19th of September, 2024, BMO Capital rated VST as Outperformed with a hold action. On Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, Jefferies again rated VST as buy with an initialize action. Prior to that, on Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024, Morgan Stanley rated VST as overweight with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Vistra Energy stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Vistra Energy. The chart today reflects mostly positive signals. The stock of Vistra Energy shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable forecast for the stock. Moreover, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is anticipated at the levels of $99.48 and $83.82. A breakdown below either of these levels could trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, July 30th, 2024, and thus far, the stock has increased by 62.9%. Further gains are expected until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 40 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 8 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Vistra Energy. Vistra Energy finds support from accumulated volume at $111.63. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant daily volatility, with a notably wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, categorizing it as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.39 between its high and low, translating to a movement of 3.95%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 6.12%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Vistra Energy, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, let's look at the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio could suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 5th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $1.82. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Vistra Energy. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, Vistra Energy encounters its first support level at 111.63. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Vistra Energy from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 23rd of August, 2024, Stacy H. conducted an insider sale of 5,304 shares of common stock. On the 13th of August, 2024, Stephanie Zapata conducted an insider sale of 34,714 shares of common stock. On the 1st of August, 2024, Burke James A. conducted an insider sale of 3,806 shares of common stock. On the 1st of August, 2024, Moldovan Christopher E. conducted an insider sale of 5,075 shares of common stock. On the 10th of June, 2024, Crutchfield Lisa conducted an insider purchase of 335 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative, with a ratio of negative 9.893. In total, insiders purchased 1,245,146 shares and sold 1,569,169 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $109.43, representing a decline of 2.64%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, resulting in a significant level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 93, which greatly heightens this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 82 days ago. Is Vistra Energy stock a good buy? Vistra Energy shows several positive signals and is currently experiencing a modest upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is a solid choice at these levels, and we anticipate further gains in the upcoming 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 25th of September, we expect Vistra Energy to open at approximately 64.9 cents and start trading at $113.05. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.